Hey there guys, welcome back. Oppo announced Oppo Reno 2 few months back, and now the leaks of its successor Oppo Reno 3 have started appearing. This leak has surfaced on Weibo stating it could launch soon with a quad camera setup, a 90Hz display, 4500 mAh battery and a Snapdragon 735 SoC. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. Starting with the design, it will remain mostly same with Gorilla Glass 6 protection in the front and Gorilla Glass 5 protection on the back, and most probably with the shark fin pop-up camera. The Reno 2 is powered by the Snapdragon 730G processor, which means the Reno 3 will get an updated chipset, and according to the tipster, it will be the Snapdragon 735 SoC, which is yet to be announced by Qualcomm. This chipset is also expected to come with an integrated 5G modem, so expect the Reno 3 to support 5G as well. It is expected to come with 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 2 storage options, 128GB and 256GB with UFS 2.1 storage as per the leaks. Oppo Reno 3 is also tipped to sport a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display and a 90Hz refresh rate panel, which means the experience on this device will be smooth. The display is similar to Reno 2 except for 90Hz panel. And the fingerprint sensor will sit underneath the display like most phones these days. Like the previous Reno series phone, the Reno 3 is also expected to concentrate more on cameras as it will feature a quad camera setup. The primary sensor will be of 60MP Sony IMX686 sensor, which is the latest from Sony, and here are some images shared by Sony captured from this sensor. It will be accompanied by 8MP ultra-wide, 13MP telephoto and 2MP black and white sensor. Here too, the only difference is the main camera. The Reno 2 features 48MP while the Reno 3 will feature 60MP. The selfie camera will get an upgrade, which is double the megapixels of Reno 2, that is 32MP selfie camera. Additionally, the phone is said to house a 4500 mAh battery with support for 30W WOOG 4.0 fast charging support, which will charge over USB-C port. You also get NFC, but there is no wireless charging. As for the Oppo Reno 3 pricing, it is rumored that the 8GB plus 128GB base variant will cost Yuan 3299, which is approximately Rs 33,000, while the 8GB plus 256GB variant will cost Yuan 3599, which is approximately 36,000 rupees. There is no word yet on when the Oppo will announce Oppo Reno 3, but it is likely to happen only after Qualcomm announces the new Snapdragon 7 series 5G mobile chipset, which is expected to happen by the end of this year. So more about this device will be coming soon. Until then, subscribe, like and share. Thank you for watching. Peace out.